Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm feeling so much better. COVID tried to take your girl out, but I am back. I'm feeling good. I'm back to normal, and it's time to get my house clean and back in order because nobody did this. As you can see, my floor is very, very dirty. The kitchen, I won't say that the kitchen is just necessarily dirty, but there's things that need to be touched up, such as the cabinets and the floors. This is a very heavy traffic area, so it tends to hold on to a lot of dirt and dust and a whole bunch of other stuff. So here I'm just cleaning out the sink. I'm getting ready to go ahead and start washing dishes. This little sponge that I'm using, I did put some Dawn dishwashing liquid in the inside of it, and I just cleaned out the sink before I started washing the dishes. I am going to come in from time to time so that I can touch bases with you all and share what I'm doing and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and let you all start watching the video and listen to some music, okay?
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
Okay, so let me just go ahead and give you guys a head up. On this day, I did get a really, really bad headache because I hadn't been resting much since I recovered from COVID. So I did continue the video on the next day, and you guys are going to see that because I'm sure you're going to be wondering why I have on different clothes and change my hair. So in this little bowl, I keep this bowl under my sink. I put some dishwashing liquid in it, some Dawn dishwashing liquid, some eucalyptus essential oil, and some warm water. This little brush thing I'm going to use to scrub the cabinets in the part where there is like scum and sticky stuff. So I'm going to use that. I'm just dipping a microfiber towel in the water. I don't want it to be soaking wet. I just want it to be damp just a little bit because I don't want to damage the cabinets, but I do want to make sure that it gets clean. So the Dawn dishwashing liquid will break down the oil and the sticky stuff, and so will the scrub brush.
I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we can jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why?
So this is the area that I wanted to show you all, and the reason why I have the scrub brush. This is what I'm getting off of the cabinets in this area and above the stove. It's in some areas, other areas too, but just not as bad as right here by the sink and above the stove and the microwave. So just some little elbow grease, the scrub brush and Dawn dishwashing liquid, and it is looking good. It smells good. That eucalyptus essential oil I normally would use in my bathroom and in my trash cans, because I like for my bathroom to kind of smell like a spa. But I didn't have any other essential oil. I ran out. So I went ahead and just used this in the kitchen, but it didn't matter because it smells so good when you walk through this area. As soon as I came out my bedroom, I was able to just smell all of the good stuff that I use. It smells really good in the kitchen. And you guys, look at this nasty water. I had to dump this twice. It was dirty. The cabinets were dirty and needed some good tender love and care. And that's what we did today. Also, I do want to put out there that all of the cabinets were clean. I kind of edited some of it out because I didn't want to bore you all with this long video of me cleaning the cabinets. So I did take out some of it, but all the cabinets below and at the top were clean all the same way.
What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask a little?
What I'm doing now is I'm taking some Clorox wipes and I'm wiping down all of the counters and everything, because this is a high traffic area, as I stated before. So sometimes when the kids and my husband come in, they come in and drop off mail, keys, cell phones, whatever they have in their hand in this area, even Jeremiah with his backpack. So I try to sanitize, clean the counters every night before I go to sleep. I'm only doing it now for the sake of the video, but tonight I'll end up doing it again. I need to show you all my nighttime routine. I do have certain things that I do at night before I go to sleep. So when I wake up, my home is still smelling good. It's clean. It kind of just sets the tone for me for my day. And then when I get up, I do certain things. So I'm going to have to show you all my nighttime routine and my morning routine. So here, I figured I would go ahead and just clean the trash can, wipe it down just a little bit. Every week or every 2 weeks, I have my kids to take it outside and just clean it out. But I like to drop some essential oil in it also. That way it's not smelling like a trash can. When you open up the lid, it smells really, really good. If we never met, babe, if we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no So I forgot to show you all in the camera what I was using, so I figured I would put a picture up here. I did get this off of Amazon, and I'll link everything that I used today in the description box. I'm wearing a mask because the odor is strong. I wanted to do this while there was hardly anybody in the house because it is kind of strong. I did add a little water in it, but it's still strong. So I'll post it. It's up to you. It's your discretion if you decide you want to use it or not. But for me, I'm going to use it because I'm just going to keep my mask on and it gets my floor cleans until I find something else. I'm not going to pay someone to come out and do my floors all the time because for them to do my floors is $750 plus. So I won't be doing that. After I was done scrubbing the floors, I did go ahead and get out the steam mop. I'm going to also list this in the description box. Wood flooring, tile flooring. This is a good steam mop to use for your floors. I love it. To me, it kind of takes away the odor in the house when you steam mop the floor. Y'all excuse my husband. He's always trying to get his little few minutes of fame. But I love using this mop to clean my floor because I have a lot of tile flooring in my house, and it's just really helpful to have it and to be able to scrub the floors and get things up. So it is all done, you guys. I took this 3-hour video and put it into almost 15 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Everything is clean. It smells good. I need to go and get me some flowers and stuff to put out. I did go to the deli today to go and pick up some, and I got sidetracked and ended up not getting them. So I'm going to go and pick up some tomorrow and set some flowers and candles and stuff on the counter. So just stay tuned, you guys. I do have some more videos coming up, some more projects coming up of what I'm going to be doing in the house. You guys, the table there from the dining room. The dining room has been turned into my office. That's another video that I'm going to share with you all. So I hope you enjoyed the video, you guys. And if you have not already, please make sure that you subscribe and that you also hit the notification button so that you don't miss an upload from me. Until next time, you guys, be safe, okay?